Lord. I can't my computer job take off. I can't my computer job take. I can't my computer job son. Okay. My computer up. Yeah, it drop, but you know, it get it loud again. Yes. Bug, lock your door there for me, because I don't have no copyright.
Yeah.
You to the boy, I don't have no copyright. Oh, God, people. Good evening. Tight. A quarantine I go on some inside. You know it going outside. On the roadside. But I wonder if you see a video with the blood clot boy. Hey, at first, you know, I hear first, Missy put up a video yesterday on Instagram. I think yesterday Hero put you up. Missy Hero put you up and then boy, everybody has said Jesus Christ. What if you kill the boy? The boy if he dead. Me I said. I love you. Love you. Look on peace and quiet. Peace and quiet at its best. Here G code. Yeah, everybody else say yo with a beaty boy. Everybody else say beaty boy. I mean I say yo Jesus Christ. Here I say yo a 10 shot them for slamming in face. And them a get 30 grand for murder this. You see he pray. What? No, it go Jesus Christ. I want to look at topic we're gonna touch tonight. So let's carry on. And remember to like and share. Because the rest of fucker they need to hear this. Right? Good. So when me see it now, me hear us a blood clot. I kill him with a kill this because of somebody girl pitting him. I say, oh, you know, it's a real thing here. Yeah, dog. Me look better. Me I say, you know, it's a real thing here. We fi kill a boy. The boy thump up a catty wicked. Then me see another blood clot video with the blood clot catty. I run from the sea and boy. So just a while ago now, me dey on blood clot social media, because me tell you social media is not a real blood clot place, you know. Me dey on social media, you know, people. Me see the same blood clot boy. Look like I see him shots. That in a van. You see me, I know, me never look on his shots. You see him, but me just say probably resemble shots when they run down the girl in the area there. Me see two of them and say, yo, Jesus Christ, and they from 2016, and girl, them did have a blood clot misunderstanding and rare and tete. And in thump up the people and girl pitting, and the people and girl pitting receive it, thump them, me G. You understand them, you deal with one time the man attack, the man say, man, them girl love him each other. Them love each other, me as a rascal. You look like this a relationship, you're serious then. You see me? Hear him now. You can't ask her for yourself, man. Hear the blood clot, girl. Jesus Christ, girl Pitney. Girl Pitney. Wanna see why me telling the guy school, dog? Wanna see why me telling us if a guy school, me G? Girl Pitney. The man, girl Pitney. You see thinking motor, no? You see, no? Dirty girl. You see, look how you dance. Hey, look, girl. Look how you dance. Hey, mama. You know, see, you don't know what is a junior English revives. You don't know what is a fucking junior English revives. Because to all me and your attack, you know blood clot stable enough for your blood clot, mine are ass clot. You know? You can ask her for yourself, no? Yes, me love him very much. Yes, I do. Me bumbo clot. The girl not even say a sentence, you know? That more sound like one phrase. More than a blood class sentence. Do we hear the girl say it today? You know say girl no go nowhere near blood class school from great blood class tree. God kill me, J. Girl, pit near this, me tell you, no go blood clot school. Thinking more, girl, that's why me tell you, no go school, you know, no dunce, no bumbo clot. It all of Jamaica human race go blood clot perish in a G. You know what? Because who the two fucking dunce? Who the two dunce? Look how you dunce. I don't say dunce, make you get so much liquor. Hey man, run you down breathless to blood clot. Track meat. Beat you up. Thump it. It thump me see you get in your blood clot gut. No man couldn't stabilize that. No man can turn up to that. The thump in your gut. And mama you get a blood clot thump in your gut and the boy hold you and he might face you up. And you, me nah say, people and people not fight, you know. It's okay, mommy. Me not tell you say people and people not fight. Either the relationship and brawling and ray and take and ray, it do right. Do not right. Do not right at all. It do not right, but it happen. But you know, mama, you too dunce. You too blood clot dunce. You can't even form a sentence. You have to make a phrase. One like a blood clot phrase. It's true, me love him. It's true, me love him. Me blood clot, mama, you look like a beating. Mama, that never convinced me at all. It look like say man treat me if you do this. Mama, somebody go help her. Jesus Christ, woman, they ready to say ball out for help out in the seat. Jesus Christ, woman, I scream out for help. Woman, a ball out for help out in the seat to rest the right side. He man treat me, man. I beat him for it. Jesus Christ. Oh gosh. Which part of country you come from? Which part of country you come from? I want to know which part of country. Somebody reach out to me, both them, and tell me which part of country you come from. No boy can thump me up them blood clot way because me tell you say no. I one of the reasons why me turn man. Because me tell you this. Me thump up boy pitney me G. Me not see no fight when me can blood clot lose. Me not tell you say me win every fight, but me not lose neither. You see, pray? Yeah, man, me thump up people, boy, pit the man. Him have to know say me J. I two cocky in the building. Yeah, one probably bigger than mine, but I still cocky them be me G. You see, pray? Yeah. You get me a day with? It won't need to find a blood class seat over one corner, over one part. Yeah, see it. And no say I just life. Yeah, and that's what I deal with because they have blood clot, girl, a man clown and boot and keke. But other than that, not to go on social media more than yesterday, I see Miss Kitty. Big up yourself, la boss. Oh, I'm to you, man. Education over prostitution, you know. Miss Kitty, I will say education over prostitution. Because as much as how me cuss my body with them and me go like say I am very illiterate, I am not. I can multitask, I can do all kind of things where you wouldn't even expect that Dan can do. Very articulate, you understand me? I have a wide vocabulary, you understand me? I read a lot, you understand me? I'm intrigued with history, as I can tell you. Yes, me read even the nutrition facts for my food. You understand me? You wouldn't even think Pretty is that type of person, also a top chef. You understand me? I'm very brilliant in the kitchen and thing. You understand me? When it come on to school, in grade 9, I got CXC to do. You understand me? I deal with in English literature because I read a book called To Kill a Mockingbird by Harper Lee. Harper Lee wrote that book because here in America, it is against the law for you to kill a mockingbird. You understand me? I read that book and I give it back in 250 words, a tutorial. I gave it back a summary. I summarize that book in 250 words in grade 8. And then in a grade 9, them give me CXC if you do it. I let you after that, they all lyrics, you know, Kitty, you know, I go. we'll start follow company and friend and start fuck girl in the hole in the kitty. And you see me I deal with that, we just lose myself in the kitty. Be a pussy we are work with, you know. You see me I deal with kitty, you know. When I 8th grade come out, you know, me G. And me go some woman and me start say, oh, I be a girl, you know, me still a read, be a book, you know, people I say, oh, yeah, no, bring him out this, unlock the door for me. Bring him, yeah.
Oh, come here.
Go.
Come.
Love you, Bobby. You see me? Still bright, you know. I got a Mats Unlimited, Miss Kitty. I swear, Miss Kitty, Miss Kitty, me tell you a thing. A police me that got turn in a Miss Kitty. All of my bad man friend, them, I don't want to look for me no different, you know, my G, because we have it up there, you know, my G. I understand that I deal with it bright. I got school, my G, ask my mother. Couple certificate, well, Miss Kitty, me I tell you, so the captain of the quiz team, Miss Kitty, you understand that I deal with. So when you say education over prostitution, I cannot say anything else. I cannot say anything more than bravo. What a talk. I respect you, Miss Kitty, as a foundation. I respect you, Miss Kitty, as a media personality, a radio personality. You understand me I deal with? You have the common etiquette to speak to any genre people. I could have hip hop, I could have reggae, I could have blood clean, jazz. You understand me? Your education level out there, it up there. I respect that. And you're jovial with it to see him here. You still can go in and you get a girl accent and rate that same way. And you live up to your Jamaican way. Even though you're bright like spotlight, mama. You understand me? Respectfully, I'm telling you, so me respect your mama. You see, pray. Yeah. For your tickle man, you carry yourself very nice. I respect you because you carry yourself very nice. La, like Miss Kitty. La, like, you're the la, boss, man. You don't know it go already, man. You understand me? You see, when you talk, Miss Kitty, you put people in a them place. You see something out of line and you straighten it. That is what it is. You understand me? But as when me I go tell you now in a la boss. Let me tell you la boss. You see people like them there? You shouldn't even make them blood clot. Here you even brush cross with them blood clot teeth in name. No, Miss Kitty, no. Miss Kitty, you must remember the blood clot low more the girl take care of blood clot sweet Jamaica like bro, me no. Come on, Lala boss. Make we talk. You remember you thinking mad, girl? Jamaica praise the worst kind of people. I mean, yet blood clot pretty than the sodomite girl. You can't chat too much. But you notice me never thief nothing phone yet. I beg on a blood clot nothing yet. When? Tell me. When? Pussy hole. When? Never. No. But you see people in my thief on a blood clot money. Remember how that girl come in like a Grinch who stole blood clot Christmas in a Jesus Christ in a man. You want Christmas people ball. Boy, Jesus Christ, hello. Boy, me invest my money. Boy, me say mama take all the money and buy up the whole heap of blood clot product. Them a mix up in thinking chemical what give everybody coronavirus in a daddy. Me you see me blood clot. And what is? You see me people are ball. Why? Lord, Jesus. Why? Jesus Christ, thieving girl. Why thinking mouth girl? Why thinking thieving girl? Nasty thieving girl. Why thieving girl? But let me tell you sitting again, you know. Miss Kitty, you see them thinking mouth people how you see about you go right. The blood clad vlogging, yeah. Episode vlogging. Because the whole of them I use it as clout. The whole of them come like Offset and blood clad Cardi B. Hold on. Them do it for clout. The whole of them blood class swarm up like bees. Miss Kitty. Miss Kitty. Miss Kitty. Miss Kitty. Nah live better than dog. Miss Kitty. Miss Kitty, me say they nah live blood clot well. Miss Kitty, remember say some of them did all live in a blood clot gully, you know. Remember say a cardboard no for them asleep and we don't know their life, the Kitty. Come on, Kitty, man. Me can't believe it. You shouldn't even make them the blood clot. Hey, you know we shouldn't have the blood clot toothpaste them they have in a fear mouth. The one where we get a blood clot clinic when we go check up them out for the first time. You remember it? Bumbo clot and the free Listerine. And them they did have in your mouth, you know. People want share blood clot cardboard for sleep and you know. Me G. Yeah, me G. Miss Kitty, let me show you a thing. You have left them the people to one blood clot toilet bowl. You put them in there, you flush them, me G, me nah ask you. Anytime you see people of blood clot swarm up with the one amount of body man them, you know, you can't expect no better friend them man. Miss Kitty, man, no one amount of pampas them man. Miss Kitty, come on, man. Miss Kitty, man. Miss Kitty, when time you go see no one blood clot toilet bowl full of shit a cuss you know, me G. One blood clot toilet bowl full of shit packed to the blood clot tap, you know. Roach, rat, and bumbo clot rat, you know. Be rat, you know. Run up and down, you know. Roach, you know. Miss Kitty, you're too nice. If you have the ugliest body man with Jamaican blood clot produce. The ugliest blood clot body man with Jamaican produce, you know. Jesus Christ, Miss Kitty, the people that did underneath blood clot gully asleep. Jesus Christ, Miss Kitty, we don't know their life there. Miss Kitty, we don't know their life. Jesus Christ, Miss Kitty, hold on. Let me hold up on your shirt. Let me tap you by your shoulder a little bit. Miss Kitty, we don't know what mattress feel like. You can't listen to them, the people. Oh, you mean if they don't, Miss Kitty, man, then they not tell you, they show you. Oh, you mean I don't people alone sleep under gully. You know that. How much body man me see in a blood clot hurt. Then under blood clot gully. I don't stinking more people. Them the blood clot they never pass G-satin. Jesus Christ, you know. Me I tell you say them they got blood clot Harley at school in them and I ask you know me G. Miss Kitty, how you got college you can't raise with blood clot bus parkour? Yeah, idiot. Miss Kitty, a trailer back whore them ya coaster back. No draws there, them ya Miss Kitty. Come on, Miss Kitty. Miss Kitty, we never did a look like that we go to school. Our education we did a go look for. We never have no time for your blood clot make prettiness register. We make it book them register. But you them make it blood clot bleaching cream and the whole of the blood clot cheap bumbo clot close them down and thief up the people them money and I put on titty and body and I make them blood. You put on body and press on them fix. Cause a girl them weird. Eh? You girl you for your bamboo, your bamboo. Eh? Eh? You look like a luxury doll. You all want to look like blood clot luxury doll. Thief off your money. Then come on, man, Miss Kitty. We never go to school for look like blood clot luxury doll. I can mix up blood clot nipples one gel with pussy clot. Immediate clear. We never blood clot go to school for learn that. After we in a chemist, a blood clot. Huh? Don't blood clot. Look here. Miss Kitty. You see, in this thing where you call it piece of vlogging, you. He body man them and he little thinking more. Girl them when you see about the place you want to run down your hype in a dem in me G. Notice man, Miss Kitty. None of them body boy you can blood clot hides me. You know see how this? No body boy can talk to me. None. No body boy can put me live. No body boy. Me not do body cussing. That's a one thing. Cause me not know where it feel like if my body will drip or twip like blood clot pipe. You feel me? Me blessed still in my J. Cause me have a little thump there, a little pussy down the same way. Me never did that for blood clot low. Nobody never did that for blood clot bust out and the boy never did that for drill me body like screw. You feel like me I deal with? Me not do blood clot body cussing and me not do blood clot social media friend. Miss Kitty man a friendly a blood clot. Me come like a pit bull. All me own and me blood clot bite up. You hear what me I tell you? Me say me come like a blood clot pit bull. You not see me teeth them? You not see me teeth them? Me say me come like a blood clot pit bull. Me no blood clot social media friendly. None of them blood clot claim say blood clot hyper, gigi thinking motor. None of them blood clot. None. Me no want none of them post it for rate me. Always know that. Me no want a batty boy heal me. Me no want the pan of blood. All if a 2 people they put me live, them me a top man. Cause a batty boy can come batty up me live. No batty up me live. Cause be a bad man watch me G. You see, Pre? Me never yet go out in the road and a man boom off me fist so and tear off me hand. Pretty bumbuckler there, me G. No batty boy never blood clot bust off me hand so yet. I be a top Jenna. So me no want no batty boy for rate me. You hear that? So you see one time you see them people now, mosquito, you see all now poor blood. Look here. Remember say this is the same catty. We say to her she have money in her bank. The bank no want give her no loan in. Then mosquito you want more glasses than me. This is that a blood clot dance. When you have the amount of money in the bank at that time, the bank willing to lend you $1 trillion blood clot dollar. Clown. Dunce. And then the dunce, they don't have a mix up cream for blood clot tear off for nobody, you know. That's why the coronavirus now got up killing. One of the things that none of them blood clot that can cost me. Oh, you gonna cost sit where you don't know nothing about. Me no friendly a bumbo clot. Me look like Jasper the friendly ghost. Oh, you gonna talk about say blood clot, corona, this and that people for dead. No man, chromas. Are you for blood clot dead, mama? You need to find one cliff and go bumbo clot jump off of that, mama. Your mouth big and broad like a heel back, mama. Me never see so much mouth in my life yet. Like a 17-pound liver with a bumbo clot side harder, a bumbo clot kidney, you know, mama. Your bottom lip heavy like a bumbo clot lead, you know, mama. Like every time you talk, it's like your bottom lip want bust your chin in a youth. You see, Pre? Oh, you fi want style Miss Kitty, but Miss Kitty no look good. Me rascal. You feel glad for blood clot immediate clear. You know see you look. Mama already with your top bumbo clot bleach. You black like a bumbo clot tar pot. You know your favor? It sucks stone them. We used to that blood clot river. Like a blackfish, they must suck pan it up and stone them with a big blood clot mouth. You that. Oh, you feel say Miss Kitty no look good. When you start look good? You start yet? Come in and see it. When? You know, sister, this somebody will do your blood clot surgery, make you lean. Then they want a blood clot ruler for your bumbo clot body, mama. One drama she said. Them should a blood clot get for your body, mama. And a T-square. You see it? Oh, you feel say kitty no look good when the whole away with her out, yes, sir. As general, I say, yeah, fucking a kitty wall. Nobody no want for your bleach out catches, my friend. I'll be a batty man, fuck you. You can't size up to kitty when? When you can't size up to blood clot kitty, black and rusty, bulky and crufty, top bleach and see. Top rub your face. Top rub your blood clot face with your blood clot chemical. And come talk to people. Kitty no bleach. Kitty out there without fear. La 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 la. You know what's a bumbo clot thing you give back the 9K money yet? In black a tutu. Black a tutu. You go give back blood clot than money where you teeth up your cake them yet. With your ugly cake them, your cake them favor you. I saw you black and heel shaped it. You black and blood clot ill shaped it like the cake them where you swap out for Miss Dana cake and send come a foreign. Somebody should have take one of them ugly cake there and ram in your blood clot ugly broad face with it. Look how your bumbo clot face broad like one bumbo clot river stone. Look how your face broad like river stone and you tell people say they don't look good. Girl, you too blood clot ugly if you tell people say they don't look good. And you go take this a blood clot animal here. Where you get that the blood clot animal they put on the camera? With the big old chap them and bust in and blood clot face look like when they tie your bus on the highway. When you come out to blood clot a bearing say upon. Easy yourself bus tube. You only put Batman blood clot entity, they want to come on the blood clot internet, but you don't want this radius personality. Move like a bumbo. You be a Batman you have. A be a batty man you have. You get this a big rusty pon a blood clot nail ya. Big whole long time washing machine to blood clot. River blood clot. You look like a riverbed with dry up. Right now you resemble up a blood clot Somerset Fall. Come in and you say dry up, man. Where you come from with this a blood clot batty man, your boy, you this Miss Kitty? You want this a batty man, you want sleep underneath blood clot gully with the rat and the roach, them a suck out in tongue at night time to pussy clot. And I war over cardboard with the rest of blood clot shit pit them to ass clot. I sell batty for them at 9. But the bumbo clot do not talk about Miss Kitty. You can't raise with Miss Kitty. Oh, you raise with Miss Kitty? Eh? Mama, you bleach for you 7. No, you can't blood clot reach heaven. If you tap rub one blood clot there, you block a rust in a bumbo clot hinge in oil. Eh? Oh, you for Miss Kitty. Your blood clot look good for Miss Kitty. You want some clothes to her. What do you mean your blood clot pan and nail friend boy pretty that want some clothes? Boy, me know your blood clot each of them. I be a blood clot Lacoste my wear. A $40 for every one of my shirt them and me not go above that because my body not go burn me like fear. You see, pre? Me blood clot, you come on the blood clot internet with this a body man where that fucking New York a drag out the people and close out a H and them and a tear down and a bust down. It won't no work when you said no education and a broke people place. So no so no ambition. Who man wrong? Which part of the blood clot education there? You chromas still a sell pussy and bleaching cream. This a body man you sell body and a tear down people place. How the blood clot have time for you to talk to blood clot, Miss Kitty? Yeah, that's how you register in front of Miss Kitty. Me no see that now a pussy clot. Me a look into it and me say Ras clot. And when this a go reach? Oh, this go. This reach? Oh, what? You? Oh, this your blood clot boy. Your rat and roach a film blood clot cousin and niece and bumbo clot nephew. Me blood clot a boy will suck out tongue with roach and rat and sleep on that gully where we a shit up and piss up in a. Can't cuss with Miss Kitty. La 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 boss. Magnum King and Queen, the host. What you mean? Radio personality, TV personality, gully animal, with the bumbo clot. Oh, that makes sense. Where this a blood clot, long time blood clot, rusty face batty man I come from. I won't always but then thinking about batty man on the internet though. Well, this them a blood clot batty man I wanna need for sand them like a dog. You need to take up some sand in and fling and lick them bumbo clot every day. What do you tell me go up to New York to blood clot which part? The blood clot chimney. What did they put in live with you? The chimney. The shit up and piss up station the way you are sleeping at. Where your blood clot got teeth in New York. Coming just like your life. Shitty. Your life shit up. Oh, you come and argue in a woman argument like you have pussy. Where you get pussy from? Where you get pussy from? Go sit down, boy. Body well deep and think. Move. Thinking body, boy. I move from myself. Yes, it's a man now heights your body, boy. Move. Move your bumbo clot self from yourself, my friend. We are doing a girl talk. Eh, boy? You brief them shit up. We are doing a blood clot girl talk. With this a blood clot mug at here. Big blood clot hinamil mug. I say you looking at girl. Girl, I say you look like a blood clot hinamil mug. Nikki chromas. If any day you trip off your blood clot bleaching cream statement, you look just like the blood clot mug at tea where you is, mama. You know the long time hinamil blood clot mug them, when they drop them again, and you see them chip. I see your blood clot look. What do you want to your teeth, Miss Dana cake them and come boy up and eat live? Abba, we couldn't even believe say you. You're black and rusty, ugly and monkey. Ugly like monkey, mama, me I say bumbo clot. And the bleach out hug this. Eh? Mama, you look like the city where they call Wild a Portland, where they set for catch. Black and bumbo clot, ugly mama. Give thanks to bleaching cream. You can talk about blood clot, Miss Kitty. Miss Kitty don't need bleaching cream. You need it because you hate yourself, girl. Your mama hate you, you hate yourself. You hate yourself, girl. You're sorry say your mama, your papa fuck. You're sorry say your mama, your papa fuck because you wish it come out different way. You jack yourself, girl. You see the mash up. Eject yourself. Your blood class CD mash up, girl. Where you come from in this at all? You don't give thanks to Miss Kitty talk about you. You are nobody? You are somebody? You are somebody? Me all I wonder how Miss Kitty all no sitting ball, sitting like a yo. Show your teeth, you know? Just treat your thief up the whole heap of money when Kitty know you. Kitty know you just because you're a fucking thief. You're a fucking thief. A thief, no a thief. I want a thief that you link up with, you know. Come on for it, ball out for your asylum. Oh, they make we sleep on the gully. They make we sleep on the gully in Jamaica. I have to come up here because we can't get to live with life. Uno will come ball out for your asylum and rob up the people in place. Wait till they catch on and dip on them. Who don't feel like the they get ball out for your asylum, then I go dip on the back down the back and kill them. That rascal continue thief. You a thief up the whole heap of each of them shirt, the boy you got thief, so each of them shirt send. Go send them, go give your Batman friend them boy under the blood clot gully. Go steam out underneath the gully with the rest of roach them boy underneath. They go give roach them that. You see it? You see like a thinking bleacher friend when you're there on live at time about biscuity. It too no one douche out. You no go douche man. You no think like shit. Go douche man. Douche out on yourself, man. Go douche. Go douche out on the bumbo clot self, youth. Douche out. And go suck out on the mother, man. You in a mill blood clot mug thinking all Nikki chromas. Thinking mouth, girl. You deaf. Me so come to Jamaica, you know. Nobody feel like me afraid of none of you. Big man thing. Box down blood clot one on. You hear that? Right now, as we speak, my wife have me in a anger management therapy, me G. You see you pray? Me fuck up what I on a regular. Cause me no want to feel like say yo, wanna ring and tell. Me no beg friend, me no want a friend from me no like none of una dog. Cause the whole of una some bumbuckler idiot, me G. Notice what I become your side of me G. Me never beg, me never ask, me boss who fight for boss, and me cut. You all want to come in like blood clot. Yeah, I could be like cheerleading squad. So when me start the cussing now, you can come underneath here, come start help me. Me no need nobody to help me a bumbo clot. I'm me alone ban. Me alone ban. One clip. One in the head, me J. No safety. You see, pray. I want to man. You know if you tap it bumbo clot rare. I know when I want to dip on some people level. When you creep out them one whole heap of body man you for underneath the bumbo clot gully of Jamaica. And I make them a think so they have power boy. Members have beat and stab when you used to get a Jamaican acid. When time the man them soon a yard. Members of the man them a yard did make you have to live underneath them gully there. You see pray? When you come a foreigner thief up some clothes and a rare and I come go like when somebody who and them one amount of body man. A girl as a girl pit no na disgrace. You not even company live with another girl. You come with a big waist bumbuckler cardboard sleeping body man. One body man will sleep on cardboard. Cause when me come me used to wonder why the brother here used to always dip on the internet a chuck off in the one bedroom set. So me I say, why somebody would not chuck off in a one bedroom set? So just cause you used to sleep on bumbuckler cardboard. You never see smoke without fire. You never see smoke without fire. You're not used to it. Of course you're gonna see him. You're gonna feel some kind, oh my God, Jesus Christ. Whoa, this, that, rare. Yeah, I go feel so. Because a cardboard sleeping body, man. Me never sleep on cardboard yet, you know. A foreign me come blood clot sleep in a Benz with girl. You see, pray? Who house of Jamaica, me J. All what day one time my grandmother say, if me no want the land, I tell her no. She called my mother and asked my mother why. Me say no. And my mother say, I just because I own one a Portmore already. I own one house a Portmore already. So me never did. You know, me not too craven. Me good with the one when I own already. You see, pray? Yeah, we not too, you know? Check yourself, me J. Check your brief. My girl, check your drawers. Because right now, una discharge, me J. Una body hole a lake. Pussy hole a lake. Una chat too much fuckery. Good night. Vanessa, what? Me sissy po. Them dysfunctional as fuck, my G. Because me I wonder why the fuck them would not want to talk about Miss Blood Clad Kitty. Miss Kitty no say nothing. Why you as a bleacher, a all dirty thinking mouth bleacher, want mix up your whole heap of chemical them where you don't have no blood clot remedy for. You don't have no specific ingredients. You can't tell me what I got tear off your skin, you know. You will build that. I got to talk about say anybody who have corona fi dead. You fi dead. You fi dead. Me think you and I live long time. You know Jamaica live life. Miss Kitty are the bumbucklat boss. Anybody don't believe in that. On a pussy. I want to no man. Miss Kitty real me G. I'm a real G that me G. Miss Kitty, the la 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 boss. I the real G that me G. You see pray? Yeah. Them people know people. Nobody don't know who no. Go get some knowings and go suck out on the mother me G.